All right, I marked the sides of the window opening here. Now I need to mark the tops and the bottoms. And what I'm using for this is just a piece of the sidewall filler that comes in the sample kit. So I'm just tracing that across there. So it makes it easy to get a straight line. You want to use a cutting blade that's real thin. This one is 40 thousandths of an inch thick, so it's just going to cut a narrow little slot. Where this thing is a 1/4 inch thick, that you're going to burn out a whole lot of metal and spend a lot of time. That worked pretty good too, so no complaints about that. The blade's still in good condition too. I'm going to switch to a Sawzall now. This has the edge cutting blade, and this one is for thin metal. We'll probably cut a little bit slower. You can get the coarser blade, so it'll cut a little faster as well, but we'll see how this works. One piece of tape was holding this thing in now.
So because you cut out that section of steel, you've made that whole wall kind of loose.
And then on this end, you can see how much. So now we're straight all the way across there.
What are you marking?
I'm just measuring 2 inches. Basically, it's just 2 inches in. See, what I'm looking for is where I should be with it. The 2 inches.
Okay.
So we could take and C-clamp those together.
I'm ready.
Go the same angle as the screw.
Wait, what do you mean? You're going to put more than a 3/8 inch reed?
Yep.
It's going to squish out and it's going to make a mess.
This is a really good time to wear gloves. But on an important connection like this,
You really need to put more than less.
now do you want to let Lisa do the other 2 edges?
Sure. You do want to touch it to it so it sticks, so it doesn't just roll off.
Oh.
And we'll get her aligned. We're good. And
I would definitely invest in an automatic caulker. It makes that look so easy.
so we're just going to put it up there, just line it up, put it in place, and then screw this in. So those screws have the wing tips on them that you can see right here that will bore out a hole in the wood so it doesn't thread through the wood. Then as soon as it hits the steel, it drills out, and then those tips break off, and then you have the threading in there. So it's kind of an all-in-one process that are ideal. They have some 3 1/4 inch long ones that would have been perfect. Like Fastenal would carry something like this for the specialties.
I got close-ups of those.